into a mobesre, Sankiyama seni any cost, sending any cost to no di bimwa. Kama, would if also a come any unsa summon on Eddie, na Eddie, Pepe and so the Abana, semi be original fees, I said, Yan to us so the not just any of the Yakaka, sent town Sambi Sam Papani Comuno, Lucretro.
That is built from a party which purpose to be lovers of probity and accountability. We firmly believe that President Mahama should allow the charges against Dr. Esiama to stand, even as he carries his duties as a governor when he is finally approved. The action by the president gives us cause to believe that Dr. Esiama is not clean. This silly attempt to discontinue the proceedings of the criminal charges against Dr. Esiama is the more reason why we think he, Dr. Esiama, a potential criminal convict, should not be heading an important and sensitive office as the governor of the central bank.
Tano no from Rashebe Jani on Monyan for Gideon Boaku and yet in Canada Shmama Utie, Sompa no Pano Siaka Bo and Yesin Kunya as Antimantem Crotam Kumasi Muswame and yet the name was Abre the Adishing Nadan Somubi Muamose Sompa TV man yesre riskan your decoder Uyanisa Pepe Ebeba now so the yebi Uswanya be not wet see. I also my flow for Crumbron a friend Gau and so Bas Antimantem Crotam Kumasimu Enra so Jabran Tembia to baby Madam Pombe se Dumiensa and I am say Ashia 1 month for Bibiada and so a woman and I'm so more than Sinimunku a friend is Madam Asana and it's a job for Chuchen common which him say Ninia Kahua just woman yama dear woman Fari said the Jani to Mumpo Frimuno and Nantia woman tem one chess Omuji boom a boy so the Jana one didn't far from Nenso Seter and Yama said the intensa Bubuamia.
Be no mienu empe mu ho na menya call na baby a friend no gawo ho shepa nyasem kotoa krenya mienu mi beduru ye no so no sem kotoa because edampo mako be do 90 na meso ye nka no kra na dua ya make say baby o mo beda kra ampo no e be ye den e dia mo e ho nyina ase o man fa bibia no o mo fae je say ade o mo de pie ya ne sa tade a e se obi bia no e no de pie ye bi mo phones kra ampo no Omantimi amfa amfree dem ho ye mantem ha say no ye dan ni nyina no na se efie ni nyina akwakoye compound house no so eye epitasia enti epitasia na ni nyina ase ya edwiri gu fo enye se asempo na emusa da ho ahia sa edwiri ni nyina se gu fo obehu ofori krom wester ye dan wa ase ni nyina no akwakoye kanetete enotie na ye de ye enti nyantie nti bibi kae na no na se ni nyina edu enti na omunyina apie ekọ omunyuma so maame abrewa bi a wanya emfie be 70 plus na according to omo efie wa na eyewitness ni se maame no eye aduane
we ofori krom west assemblyman and yetini kan yewra ofori and na wo sa amane e de etwen also for ya boni di so mehwe akwantempo ne akwansam so no nyamfo kwame agboja and na wo ka se vetin no ayekoso no ne enipa mpempem edi wonu akire no ayo haw oso kore achese ibinum kura na anu enchira ka ye koso yi wo da emrahye bedwafie ho wo se afa kodru baabi no wo sire wo nuanum se wo makwan na ebinum kodeda wo no office ye wo se onipa ba ko oba bi ahemfo be so ha enedi na chire ya wo de eba oso no anwu bi sa de achi na ebinum wura dwaye ya wo koye ye wo yi a nyina ye niam bi e ha dwen a wo de to empanifo anim senti ka be ya enipa dodo no aye ntumi makwan ne envete wo na tumi aboa ama wo no edi akire ba
around in parliament on that day. Some slept in, some colleagues need to beg other colleagues to allow their guests to sleep in their offices because the numbers were such that colleagues couldn't have afforded hotels for them on that day. I saw some of them entering bathrooms or washrooms in the morning. So it was something the committee leadership should have considered ahead of time, that these people were already here. At a point in time, I approached the leadership and said that I know a particular nominee who had close to 100 opinion leaders, chiefs, already on the compound. At the time, they were saying, we can't vet them. The 100 chiefs also were already here. So when we say, what do you want him to do with them? They say, oh, they're already here. They can come tomorrow. Sadly,
we are grateful you attend.
Ora Bernard Ahiafo, one on Wajum training, yes, the appointment committee, what's your jamu, and what the other two just say, and I know the course on Ukraine, who didn't papa or any money say come, Sansa baby on what's here and what to mean copata, and I just said, the Naniamano, Ekakron, Crasona, Aji Onomoso, and some, or the assembly to Jaw or Bra, what's your course, and I know the course sono, woman Yamushi Mufiko. Now, Papa Ahiafo on one first deputy speaker of parliament, and what the assembly to just say. Footage I would do a course in a swammer. Near one my yes, sir. Brashabe feature me papa bambabing. At Abijo quote, sir, 1 million shimu, emphasizano and chiraka course, and man yama says, say, ye, na ecofasa who ye no so a day a baye. See a case, ni pebi and amso, and me addition cassia too, almost so jerry a medinum, and name. One make a cajon, another prenum, any yenianomono, a swan to one soon in other ways, son, everyone so.
I heard the minority leader requesting that they should call some people into the vetting room. And in no time, they started walking to the vetting room. And that very day, minority leader was so harsh to the deputy, second deputy whip, Jerry Ahmed Shaib. I intend not to repeat the words inflicted on him that very day. So I realized that they were under some kind of instruction from their leader to do certain things. Honorable members of the committee, let me place on record that there are some instances where my ranking member will ask their side that they should all stand up and put on the microphone. And by putting on the microphone, all other microphones will be disabled. And you cannot do anything when all the microphones were on. So to some extent, I do not really understand what they want. Because, honorable members, by my level of tolerance and the way and the manner I have accommodated them, sometimes I do not expect it to be treated in a particular way. And as I said, life is about give and take.
Wura Bernard Ahiafo, and yet in Kanye Korea Casabon, and na committee I you am so many Musum do Jumedia in other to her. Ujum training out here Jamuni in Manuel Bezra, and what Yasemi to just say. A clerk of parliament, Ebenezer Ahume, and a dear semi to just say Papa Bambabin. A 2 1 crab was said you may dear woman woman for and concoho, and Munti next what it took Abijo so any moon. No one conco hoka copim said, your best amo maquena, or my tomb Jumedians.
We are getting indication from the clerk of parliament, and I want to put on record. The clerk of parliament has instructed that we should suspend the sitting until further notice, and therefore I want everybody to be aware that it is not the committee that has decided to stop, but the clerk to Parliament of Ghana has requested that until he get further instruction from the speaker, the committee should suspend the sitting. On that note, want to discharge you. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chairman, I'm grateful.
Kasia Bono SC Ahane Brebemi Aquine. Asante Abo Benedict Nese Mufo Penny or Sonic Casebo so Croje, Emma Ebetrasigu Wasa, so the Madisha Kukwa Veronica Jando, Obama Fefu in a better video chichinchim from Manso, Edema Miano Peo Pesma Kenny and me, or Hinini. I'm a cranchard as well, so for me, premier name, and I'm a kind Casebo say, Edema, Moyadamo say TikTok for Yamuba children, Facebook phone. Now, Miss Sorry, dear, you are on my here, we do watch a better say, no, we are singing now. Action.
Emma Akechiapa. nefa wonasia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fe ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto se ka wo se dwe wo srem woje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international